tuned and hope you enjoy.
This is Dovey. She's about a year old. She was fostered or adopted from the Humane Society when she was 2. And yeah, she's like a little shop dog, but she stays in the house for the most part. I'm trying to get her used to being in the garage while the garage door is open. And so, yeah, it's like a little test run for her to see how she does. With cars driving by and such, the garage is a bit of a mess. When I cycle in here, she's got a bunch of her toys in here, so she's not inside by herself. And she has a tendency to destroy some toys, but it's all good. We're getting some tough toys for her delivered today, so hopefully that will help. I got this Fairing Bolt kit, comes with these little plunges, and I'm hoping it will it'll solve the issue that I'm having. And I think it will. So I bought this Ducati a few months back from a local shop in town. They're also a sponsor for the race team, so huge shout out to Road Shark Power Sports in Fernandina for all of their support. Greatly appreciate it. Yeah, so I bought this Ducati knowing it was wrecked, and yeah, hoping we can maybe bring this thing back to life. We shall see. I'm hoping so, because it's definitely a fun bike to have. And we'll also probably end up putting it on the racetrack as well, if I had to guess. Knowing me, that is probably what will end up happening. Is it will be an additional track bike. So, but again, we shall see. In due time, as they say. In due time. It's been bothering me.
watching.